Welcome to JH. Recently, a wave of users has been greeted by urgent notifications demanding immediate action on their 2024 tax returns. Because nothing says relaxing weekend like a surprise message from the taxman, right? But before you spiral into a full-blown financial panic, let's see if this is actually legit or just another bottom-tier phishing attempt. I'll break it down for you so you don't end up accidentally funding a scammer's next vacation. These messages look incredibly professional, sporting the TurboTax logo and all the right buzzwords to make your heart skip a beat. Honestly, scammers are getting better at Photoshop than they are at being productive members of society. But here's the catch. When users actually log into their real TurboTax accounts, the dashboard is as empty as a stadium after a losing game. If TurboTax actually needed something from you, they'd post that alert inside their secure portal, not just send a shady email that smells like a trap. The goal here is classic psychological warfare. Create urgency, make you panic, and hope you click a link before your brain fully kicks in. They're even throwing around specific form names like 1099 INT or Box 12 on your W-2 just to sound smart. It's a bold move, considering half these alerts are so vague they could apply to literally anyone with a bank account. This level of inconsistency is a massive red flag, proving they're just throwing digital spaghetti at the wall to see what sticks. The golden rule is simple. If an alert doesn't appear inside your official account dashboard, it simply doesn't exist. Ignore the noise and definitely don't give your personal info to a link sent by someone who probably can't even spell deduction without a dictionary. If you're genuinely worried, contact TurboTax support directly or report the suspicious junk to security at intuit.com or the IRS. Thanks for watching until the end. Stay alert, stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe so you can keep dodging these digital bullets.